What if I told you that the secret to longer, thicker hair lies right here in your kitchen cabinet? Yes, guys, we have here today moringa powder, rosemary, and the good old cloves. Now today, I'm gonna share with you on my DIY moringa rosemary clove butter. So guys, as you know, moringa contains vitamin A, vitamin E, and zinc. And today we want to add all of this goodness, and we're going to combine it with some olive oil, some shea butter, and coconut oil, among some other essential oils that I will be adding to these powerful ingredients to thicken and grow the hair longer. And even for persons who have alopecia, or if your hair is thinning and you need some new hair growth, this hair butter will work wonders for your hair. So guys, stay tuned and let's begin the process. Thank you so much for joining my channel today, guys. If you're here for the first time, thank you so much for joining. Please remember to like, comment, and remember to click the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that when I upload a video, you will not forget it. So guys, let's get started. Yes, guys, so to begin this luxurious hair butter, we want to start by infusing the first two ingredients, which is your cloves. So right here I have 2 tablespoons of cloves and approximately probably 2 to 3 tablespoons of rosemary. Now, if you have the dried rosemary, you could use 3 tablespoons of dried rosemary. But this, I'm just gonna judge it, guys, is approximately that amount of the fresh rosemary. That is what I have working with today. So I'm just gonna dump all of this into my blender here, and then I'm gonna add 2 tablespoons of cloves. Now, you may have seen my previous video with the rosemary and clove oil. So basically, you can just check that video just to see how that was done. So we're gonna begin by doing that oil as our foundation oil. And I'm adding half a cup of olive oil to begin with. So we're going to blend this ingredients first, and then we're going to take it to the double boiler to get it further infused. Okay, so you just want your rosemary to look just like this. Could blend a little bit more, just some chunks in there, and I'm gonna get this infused by using the double boiling method, where I'm gonna add this in another container, and I'm gonna put it in the in some hot water. Now we're gonna add this to a heat-proof container. You could use a mason jar as well if you wish. Any heat-safe container. can add some more olive oil to this. So with this, I'm going to take this to the double boiler, and at that point when it gets warm, I'm going to add the 1 tablespoon of moringa powder to this mixture. But first, let me get this infused first. Yes, guys, so now we're doing the double boiling method. So you have about 2 inches of hot water. You know, this water is simmering, and I'm adding the jar into the boiling water. Well, it's not really boiling. And then you just want to stir this up until you can smell the cloves and the rosemary. So you just want to warm this oil. I'm just gonna let this warm for about 30 to 40 minutes. While this is happening, I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of the Jamaica black castor oil. Now guys, don't look at the bottle that it's in. I got this straight from Jamaica. So we add a tablespoon of the Jamaica black castor oil. Made a little mess, guys. So yeah, and now I'm gonna add about a tablespoon of the pure blackseed oil. This oil, guys, you know, all these oils are good for the hair thickening. So these are further nutrients. You can use any oil of your choice, any essential oil. If you have lavender oil, you could put some lavender oil into this. Yes, guys, so it's after 30 minutes. This is what this looks like. So now we're gonna put it in the strainer. You can use any kind of cheesecloth, or maybe like a stocking cap or wig cap or something, anything like that, to get out the residue. So I'm gonna strain this now. Nice. So getting out everything. Beautiful. And now we're gonna melt our shea butter and our coconut oil. I'm gonna get that melt in the double boiler method. So stay tuned, guys. Okay, so guys, next we're gonna do the shea butter and the coconut oil. So we're gonna do half a cup of coconut oil and half a cup of shea butter approximately. So this is our shea butter and coconut oil. So I'm gonna put this and we're gonna do the double boiler method again to melt these two. So here we're melting our shea butter. Next we're gonna add the coconut oil. You can add both of them because they're just gonna getting them to melt down. Yes guys, so now we have both oils here. This is our shea butter and our coconut butter liquefied. And now we're gonna add this to our Moringa Rosemary and Clove Oil, which we had added the black castor oil and we have added the blackseed oil already. And combine both oils together. So now we're having a very powerful and potent shea butter. This is the foundation, this is the solution. And we have the moringa powder already inside this one. So we're gonna leave this to cool. You can leave it room temperature. If you want, you can put it to the refrigerator for it to cool down quicker. But we're gonna give it room temperature and let it cool, and then we'll come back. Stay tuned. Guys, if you like the content that we're doing, thank you so much for subscribing. Hit that thumbs up button. And remember to share this video. Share it to tell a friend to tell another friend, guys. And we're coming right back to show you the final stage of this. Yes, guys. So there you have it. So this is our Moringa Rosemary Cloves Butter. So it's pretty much you can keep it like this way, just so that I can just use a hand mixer and whisk it some more to get it